Menteri Rangba kajela Konrad ki sangma hakakat trik jeliu. Ula pertu ya kajing shimrai ka sorkar bathamai balaya lamda Narendra Modi na kabentaban pelat ya kapisa kabakot hadu 6,000 point kendai poklo tingka na kabenta ka Meghalaya kabalong shibenta kajing bha ya kakajana syaki jela hapo kari. Konrad ula ai kuble ya ka sorkar India halor kajing pelat ya kani kasong pisa kabashi 6,000 point kendai poklo tingka kum kajing sam ya kabha ya kakajana kaban penlong ya ka sorkar jela bakan laban pentre ki babun ki kampen rai kuntup iki program ki bayadai ban kentiu ya ka emlang pasalang. Chief Minister ula ongru bakane ka de ka jingpen I ya ka sen jam ka bakong san jong Menteri Rangba du kari bat ka Menteri Platingka bat ka de ka linti ka bakraw shibun ban sedang ya ka sorkar ka bathamai. Nalor kata ula benrap ru da ka baong. Kajing pelat installment na kajing bha ya ka khajana na ka benta ki jela baper jong kari kalong ka bakong san. Kumta man ubnai ni juyo tangshi installment Henry ka sorkar India hakaway ka rukam kala aya ka bonus ya kaway pa kaway ka jela da ka bapelat installment. Kumta ya kani kan khati shu na ki installment ki ban 1 hadien habun. Henry kini ki day bet jing ais ngobha ni bonus ki balong ka jing jing mantoy ka ba arsha. Ka Meghalaya kalayo ya ka songpisa ka bahetam na ki jela ka than chati la mingi lingba kani ka bha hadien ka Assam bat ka Arunachal Pradesh.
In fact, thank the government of India, especially our Honorable Prime Minister and our Honorable Finance Minister for releasing the taxes which were released yesterday. And just to clarify to everybody that why this is very significant is the government has released 2 installments of the devolution of the taxes which was meant for the different states. So every month we normally get 1 installment, but Government of India in one way has given a bonus to every state by releasing 2 installments. So this will not be taken away from the future installments, but these are basically a bonus and a double benefit has been given. And this is a great gesture by the Honorable Prime Minister and the Honorable Finance Minister and a great way to start the new government. And once again, I would like to thank the Government of India for releasing over 1,000 crores in terms of the devolution of taxes, which will definitely help the state in the many developmental as well as the social programs that we have.